Finding the best OBD2 scanner that does everything can feel impossible in a world full of confusing gadgets, hidden features, and pricey tools. But not anymore. Whether you're a DIY hero, a weekend mechanic, or just tired of warning lights ruining your day, this video will reveal the scanners that truly deliver power, precision, and performance. And yes, links in the description for easy access. So let's start. Number 6. Innova SD35 OBD2 scanner is a game changer for car owners. This advanced scanner reads and clears ABS, SRS, TPMS, and check engine codes instantly. It delivers all system diagnostics and real-time live data, including RPM, fuel trims, temperature, and oxygen sensor performance. The tablet-based interface is intuitive, bright, and fast, making vehicle diagnostics stress-free. Perform TPMS sensor checks, oil light resets, and service functions easily. Compatible with most 1996 and newer cars, including Toyota, Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, and Nissan. Best part? No subscriptions needed. The free Repair Solutions 2 app provides verified fixes, step-by-step repairs, and suggested parts, trusted by millions. This professional-grade tool prevents costly breakdowns and keeps your car running smoothly. If you want accurate diagnostics, ease of use, and real-time guidance, the Innova SD35 is a must-have. Don't wait for surprises. Scan, repair, and drive confidently. Number 5. Ansell DS200 is a game-changer for car enthusiasts and DIYers. This full-system OBD2 scanner delivers dealership-level diagnostics without breaking the bank. Perform engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and battery management scans instantly. With 15+ expert reset services like oil reset, DPF regen, ABS bleeding, and injector coating, costly repairs become manageable. Enjoy lifetime free updates, no hidden fees ever. AutoScan Health Report shows problems clearly with live data graphs. Works with 100+ car brands offering universal vehicle coverage. Smart AutoVIN technology identifies your car automatically, saving time and avoiding errors. The vivid 5-inch touchscreen ensures stable, reliable operation every time. Instant online expert support helps you solve issues efficiently and fast. Affordable, powerful, and versatile. The DS200 is perfect for home garages or professional use. Save money, diagnose accurately, and maintain your vehicle like a pro. This tool is truly a must-have for every car owner. Number 4. Autel AutoLink AL619 is a game-changer for car diagnostics. This 2025 upgraded scanner reads ABS, SRS, and all 10 OBD2 test modes flawlessly. It quickly identifies trouble codes, clears MIL, ABS, and airbag warning lights, and saves time and stress. Live data and freeze frame functions display real-time sensor info in text and graph. Perfect for precise troubleshooting. The DTC lookup feature instantly explains any error code without Googling. With universal OBD2 compatibility across 80+ US, European, and Asian vehicles, it's perfect for home mechanics or professionals. Free lifetime updates, print data options, and multilingual support add extra convenience. Compact, reliable, and user-friendly, Autel AL619 makes vehicle maintenance fast, accurate, and hassle-free. If you want smart diagnostics, instant results, and a pro-level tool, this scanner is a must-have. Number 3. Topdon Phoenix X-Link delivers powerful pro-level performance that instantly grabs attention. This advanced scanner brings ECU programming, online coding, and hidden feature unlocking with stunning speed. Its smart topology mapping visualizes systems clearly, making diagnostics faster and sharper. Bidirectional control works flawlessly, delivering accurate tests that feel truly premium. With 41+ vital maintenance functions, it keeps every car running smoothly, anytime, anywhere. The 10.1-inch display, huge 12,600 mAh battery, and 128 GB storage make every task easier. Plus, support for CAN-FD and DoIP ensures lightning-fast communication. Built-in software removes the need for a VCI, offering stable wired performance. It even supports guided functions, FCA auto-off, and ADAS integration, boosting efficiency dramatically. Premium 2-year updates make this tool an unbeatable investment. Number 2. Foxwell NT630 Plus delivers a powerful pro-level punch. This scanner brings fast, accurate ABS and SRS diagnostics, offering deep insights into wheel speed, airbag faults, wiring issues, and more. Its ABS auto bleed feature restores firm brake response instantly, ensuring safer, smoother rides. Enjoy bidirectional testing, real-time live data, dynamic graphs, freeze-frame reports, and quick check engine analysis. The Wi-Fi updates, sturdy build, compact 2.8 inches, screen, and included carrying case make it unbelievably user-friendly. This tool reads faults, saves data, resets ABS lights, adjusts SAS, clears oil lights, and boosts maintenance confidence. With market-exclusive ABS functions, lightning-fast detection, and precise troubleshooting, this scanner feels like owning a mini mechanic in your hand. Professional performance, shockingly affordable. A must-have for drivers who want control, clarity, and confidence on every road. Number 1. Launch CRP123 V2O delivers powerful, pro-level diagnostics that instantly grab attention. This 2025 upgraded scanner offers engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission checks, giving you fast, accurate results every time. Its 3 new reset features, oil reset, throttle adaptation, and SAS reset boost performance, save money, and make maintenance effortless. The live data graphing, fault code explanations, and playback tools offer crystal clear insights. Universal compatibility ensures it works on most global vehicles. The 3.5-inch color screen, plug-and-play design, and lifetime free updates make it incredibly future-proof. This tool reads, clears, and resets errors with confidence, speed, and precision. Perfect for DIY users, mechanics, and anyone wanting reliable car health tracking. An absolute value-packed device that helps you save $1,000 plus yearly, making it a must-have diagnostic powerhouse. Conclusion: in the end, choosing the best OBD2 scanner that does everything comes down to power, accuracy, and real-time diagnostics. Features that make your car care faster and smarter. Pick the right tool and keep your vehicle running at its best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.